Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will be explaining you with one of our key and exciting feature that we have recently launched. AI agent has now been merged with the chatbot. Now, in this video, I will be explaining you how you will be creating that agent and how you will be using that AI agent within your chat flow. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account. Once you are logged in, just open the chatbot and go to the AI settings. So now in the AI settings itself, you will be able to find an option where you can add the core instructions and the conversational flow. So let me fill up some core instructions. Let me add a prompt here. Alright, as you can see, I have added the core instructions and the conversation flow instructions. So once I'm done with this, I will simply click on update and next. Now I have an option of updating the communication style for the agents that I can update from here. You can update as per your need. And next we have the option of metadata. In the metadata, you will be able to see the custom attributes that you have saved. And last option, we have the advanced settings in which you will be able to integrate your LLM provider. And also you can check the model after switching. So all these stuff you can change from here. Once you are done from this section of AI settings, you simply have to go to your chat flow, and in the chat flow itself, you will go to your flow that you have configured. Now, just click on this plus icon, and in the detect and act section, you will find the AI agent. This will be the agent that we have configured in the AI settings. So now this will work based upon the training that you have done. And over here, you will get an option of editing this message. What should be the message that the customer should see when they just type hi, hello, or anything like that. So you can configure this message as per your need. And over here, what should be the exit prompt? How this AI should end. So for example, if the customer uses an inappropriate language, just use the exit condition. So this is something you can configure for each of the appointment component. Also, you can set the number of queries that the AI should handle. And in case if you want to go to the next message, from here you can go to the next message as well. So we also have some advanced settings for this, like notify me when user respond, a rewrite message for each interaction, include this answer in emails transcript. So these are a few things that you can update from here. So this is pretty much it. Instead of using the AI responses now, you can use the AI agent, which is more advanced, more accurate as compared to the AI responses. So this is a new feature that we have launched. So you can start using it in your chat flows. In case if you encounter any issue, please make sure to reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video.